Hello students and welcome to our Meet the Table Saw video. This is our saw stop table saw. It has a special technology in it that helps it emergency stop the saw if something goes wrong to help protect you. In a separate video we're going to learn all the safety procedures for using the table saw so we don't have to worry about tripping that safety protection feature. No accidents, guys. The table saw can be used for making rip cuts, cross cuts, or special cuts like dados and rabbits. This dado joint makes this box much stronger so it's able to hold more weight. This red area in the center of the table is known as the throat plate. That should always be protected by the guard. The guard does feature a lever here on the side so you can lock it up if you need to take a close measurement with the blade or make sure things are aligned properly. Like most of our machines, the table saw has a large table, flat surface we do our work on. When we make ripping cuts with the grain, we use the fence. There is a handle on the end here that you lift up that unlocks it. You can slide it, set it to the size you want, and lock this handle back down. The fence has a ruler built into it that you can use to measure out the size piece you're going to cut. Feel free to check that with a tape measure if you need to. I always check it when using a table saw I'm not familiar with. If you wish to make a cross cut going against the grain, you need to use the miter gauge. The miter gauge fits into the slots on the table, and that allows us to hold the wood securely while it travels through the blade. From this angle, we can see several important parts of the machine. This wheel here can be unlocked and be used to raise and lower the blade. This wheel over here can be used to adjust the angle of the blade. We generally don't change that too often, but it is handy for some advanced techniques. This control box here is for turning the saw on and off. This switch here turns on the saw's computer brain. It's checking to make sure that safety equipment is working. Okay, that red flash means that it's touching someone's body and they could get hurt. All right, if the saw was running, that would trigger the saw's emergency braking system, which ruins the brake and the blade, so it is expensive if that gets tripped. Well worth the price if it saves somebody from an accident, but not worth fooling around with. The final piece on this area is this giant paddle. Pull it out to start, push it in to stop. We have many accessories like push sticks and special blade setups for this machine, as well as a roller here in the back that can help catch your pieces for you.